Marriage can get messy, but with God, we stay steady.
This is Staying Afloat with VJ and Camille.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to
Staying Afloat
with
with
VJ
VJ and
Camille.
Camille.
And this is episode 1. Yay!
Finally, love,
I know, we're on a roll.
on a roll. So, episode 1.
Okay.
So, what are we gonna be talking about here in our first episode?
To be honest, love, medyo nag-struggle tayo kung ano yung topic na pag-uusapan natin. Because to be honest, ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan when it comes to marriage. But we both decided that it's best to start with this topic because it's really important. When we didn't know about it yet, parang lito-lito at ligaw-ligaw din tayo. We were
Mm.
having conflicts and we didn't know what's behind the conflict, what
Right.
causes that conflict,
Right.
bakit biglang nagkasamaan ng loob, bakit biglang nagkatampuhan. And now that we understood what it's about, malaking bagay siya at malaking tulong din siya sa marriage natin. And it's about
Love language. So, speaking about love language, I'm going to ask you, love, what is your love language?
Right away? Okay, sige. So, there are 5 love languages, love,
Okay,
diba?
so
So, ano-ano ba yun?
first is words of affirmation.
Yeah.
Service,
Acts of service.
acts of service,
Receiving gifts.
receiving gifts, physical touch, and quality of
and
time.
quality time. So, you're asking me what my love language is.
Yeah.
And, okay,
Mali pala.
hulaan mo and I'll tell you if it's right or wrong. So, let's find out if you really know my love language
Of
or not.
course.
Okay.
First,
So,
did you say top two?
Sige, let's do top 2 out of 5.
Okay, top two. First is words of affirmation.
Correct.
Correct.
Nox, parang game show. Correct. It's words of affirmation.
Second would be quality time.
Galing mo, love, ah. I'm so
Syempre.
proud of you. Naaalala mo pa.
Ikaw.
Ako?
Ikaw,
Ah,
sige.
sige, ikaw.
What is my love language?
Your love language is physical touch. Huwag mo i-deny.
Number 2 ko yun.
I-deny mo.
Number 2 ko yun.
Okay, o, di sige. Number 2,
tama
fine.
ka. Tama ka.
Number 1 is time.
Spend time. Quality
Yeah,
time.
Quality time.
Tama.
Tama?
Tama.
Oo.
So, mine is quality time and
Physical touch.
sige na nga, physical touch na nga.
Style mo.
Hmm?
Ako naman, it's tama ka, love. It's words of affirmation and what's my number 2?
Quality time.
Quality time. Pareho pala tayo. We like time.
Okay.
So,
Why? Why is it important for us spouse, or for us husband and wife to know our love language?
para sa akin, love, importante siya because before, natatandaan ko kasi nung mga panahon na hindi natin naiintindihan tong love language or it's something that we've never talked about, we've never encountered.
Mhm.
And I feel like I would do a lot of things for you, just parang feeling ko hindi mo na-appreciate.
Mhm.
So parang in my heart, meron akong parang, bakit naman siya ganun? Okay, my example, love, like now that I remember it, like I remember before, especially during the pandemic, I would cook in the house, I would clean. Siyempre, as a mother, yung peg natin, di ba lahat, gawaing bahay. Magluluto ako, ganyan, tapos ayos-ayos.
Mm.
And I feel like, I do all those things, and I feel like you don't appreciate me. So
Mhm.
that's before. And it was because, hindi ko naman na-communicate sa'yo na ang love language ko ay gusto ko yung words of affirmation. I didn't know that.
Mm.
So I just, like in my heart, meron akong slight tampo, but of course, I didn't want to make a big deal out of it kasi parang hindi naman siya ka-big deal. But, may something sa heart ko na parang, bakit kaya hindi niya na-appreciate yung mga ginagawa ko? Or parang, na-appreciate kanya nitong mga maliliit na mga
So for
bagay na
example,
ginagawa
you're
ko.
telling me na my love, you're showing acts of service to
Yes.
me, but I don't appreciate it because
It's not your love
it's
language.
not my love language. My love language pala is quality time and physical touch.
Yes. So, mali.
Mm.
Hindi nagtugma yung ginawa ko sa'yo, showing you love,
Yeah. Mm.
and how you received it.
So kasi the reason why it's important because doon natin nararamdaman na mahal tayo. Doon natin nararamdaman na na-appreciate natin yung bawat isa if we show that love language towards the other person.
Correct.
So you mentioned kanina, ginagawa mo acts of service, pero mine pala is quality time.
Yes.
So you don't, parang nagtatampo ka. na parang
Oo.
bakit siguro hindi niya na-appreciate. So mali pala. So yun yung importante na kailangan malaman mo yung love language kasi yung pinapakita mong pagmamahal, hindi na naman pala yun na-appreciate.
Yes. Because it's not his love language. So, ang nangyayari, may disconnect. May
Right.
miscommunication. And then you don't realize that becomes the root of a conflict. So dahil may resentment ako na ganun, pwedeng sumabog yun anytime. Kasi
Mhm.
bit-bit ko lang yung resentment na yun sa heart ko na hindi ko rin pinoprocess.
Right.
So that's how I realized na importante pala because when we've learned about love language, I remember back in 2022, napaisip tayo na parang, may love language ba ako? Ano ba yung love language ko? How do I feel loved?
How do you feel love?
'Di ba? To answer your love language, it's really how do I feel loved? And when I was able to communicate that to you, na naintindihan mo na, yun pala yung love language ni Camille, then you started,
And that's words of affirmation. So I remember, I don't know, kakauwi lang natin, tapos we were going upstairs, so from our basement, going to our room
mm,
in the third floor. So while waiting, naalala mo parang sinabi ko sa'yo, "Hey love, I love you and I appreciate you. I appreciate everything about you." Tapos nakita ko yung mukha niya na parang, alam mo yun, parang na-flatter kasi hindi naman ko yon sinasabi or hindi ko naman yun talaga kino-communicate. Feeling ko kasi parang mag-asawa na tayo, alam mo na yan, okay
yes.
na yan. But
Yeah.
for them, or for us, actually for us, masarap din palang marinig na, uy, sinabi niya ulit yung, I love you and I appreciate everything that you do for me. So nakita ko yung parang nag-twinkle-twinkle yung mga eyes niya.
Oo. And may isip mo, love, na simple lang pala yung needs natin to feel loved.
Yeah.
It doesn't need grand gestures. Hindi naman kailangang bonggang-bongga unless your love language is receiving gifts.
Pero I remember, love, naalala mo, sinabi ko rin sa'yo na parang, uy, okay din pala nakakaramdam ako nung, pag ina-affirm mo rin
Service.
ako. No, pag
Oo,
ina-affirm
oo.
mo ako. Pag ina-affirm mo ako, like you tell me na you appreciate everything that I do for our family. So parang iba rin talaga sa pakiramdam ko na parang, uy, wow, may naka-appreciate sa akin. Tapos yung naka-appreciate pa sa'yo, yung pinakamalapit sa puso mo,
Yeah,
which is your
yeah.
spouse. So, yung love tank namin sa isa't isa, talagang it's full. It's
Yes.
overflowing, 'di ba? So, ang
Yeah.
sarap sa pakiramdam.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo kanina, love. You said something like, parang, the moment you said that to me, you saw something in me change.
Mhm.
And gusto ko kasi yung sinabi mo na, tagal na natin mag-asawa, alam mo na yan.
Mm.
And I think that's also where, somehow, the danger comes from. Na parang we get so complacent
Mhm.
in our marriage, being married for 8 years now. Tama ka
Yes.
naman, alam ko naman, but sometimes it's good to hear, it's good to feel, or it's good to know and be reminded by words and by actions that you are loved. 'Di ba? So, I think that's why love language is very important.
Mhm.
Kasi kung hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, I can be showing acts of service, and if it's not your love
Right.
language, wala rin. And the same way na ikaw, kunwari, ang love language mo sa akin ay physical touch.
Mhm.
'Di ba? But I like,
Cuddle.
oo. And I would like always communicate that with you. So if we don't communicate to each other na ito yung gusto ko, then hindi natin mapaparamdam sa isa't isa how we love each other. Because sometimes, how you receive love language is different from what
Mm.
I show. So,
Mm.
kailangan kong mag-adjust.
Right.
Kasi yung iba parang, okay, love language mo, physical touch. It's not mine. So,
Okay.
paano yun? So, I have to give you what is your love
Mm.
language regardless whether
Right.
it's mine or not.
Okay. So, number 2,
Mhm.
love, acts of service.
Yeah.
So, ano naman 'tong acts of service? Ano naman 'tong acts of
So, acts of
service?
service. So, kanina we talked about words of affirmation,
Right.
appreciating, right?
Yes.
So, let's talk about another love language, which is acts of service. Ito yung gusto mong pinagsisilbihan ka.
Okay.
Gusto mong sinaserve ka, inaayos yung gamit mo, inaayos yung breakfast mo, pag magre-ready ka for office, yung damit mo, naka-ready na. As in, literal service talaga. Pagluluto ka, paghahainan ka.
Mhm.
And you mentioned to me that that's not your love language so much.
But I just remembered now, love. Naalala mo nung kumakain tayo
Yes.
sa dining table,
Yes.
tapos nakaupo ako doon siyempre sa gitna, tapos pinagsilbihan mo ako, nilagyan mo ako ng kanin, nilagyan mo ako ng ulam, nilagyan mo ako ng tubig. iba yung feeling.
Mm.
Pero alam ko hindi naman yun yung talagang siguro lahat yun, yung 5 na yun
Yeah.
feeling ko
Love language natin lahat
natin
yun.
lahat, pero may
Oo.
top 2 lang. So, I just felt something different. Parang, uy, sarap pala ng pinagsisilbihan ka ng asawa mo. Parang simple lang yung ginawa niya, nilagyan ka lang niya ng pagkain. That's it. But I felt na parang, wow, napaka-importante ko naman para pagsilbihan ako. So, I felt loved again. I communicated that to her.
Yes,
Sabi ko,
yes.
alam mo, okay pala yung pinagsisilbihan, ha? Pagsilbihan mo ako pala.
And for me, it's really I appreciate it, love, when you tell me
Mm.
and you communicate it with me kung ano yung needs mo. Kasi hindi naman natin kayang hulaan yung gusto ng isa't isa or kailangan ng isa't isa.
Ako naman, do I give you that acts of service? So, in what
Yes,
way? In what
yes.
way?
Alam mo, there were a lot. I remember there was one time, love, na sobra akong naging intentional and like really, I don't know if you remember this, but every night kasi, this was medyo before pa, the kids were younger, so I would put them to sleep. So whenever I would put them to sleep, usually, diretso na ako makatulog niyan.
Mm.
And I would just leave my phone lying anywhere.
Mm.
And then, what you would do is that you'd charge it, and because you wake up earlier than I do, ang gagawin mo, pag full charge na yung phone ko, ilalagay niya dun sa may paanan ng
Bed.
bed. So that when I wake up, I can easily reach it. So parang nagtataka lang ako na parang, okay, syempre tulog ako, wala akong malay sa lahat ng ginawa mo, love. And then paggising ko, when I start looking for it, I find it there, and I know I did not put it there.
Mm.
I know it was you who did that. So, parang napapause lang ako na parang, wow, sabi ko, I feel like I want to appreciate VJ for doing this. It's a very simple gesture, but it's the fact na naisip mo ko at naisip mo na, uy, hindi niya chinarge yung phone niya. If
Mm.
full charge ko to kasi kailangan niya to bukas. O, maaga ako magigising. I'll put her phone near her so that she won't have to stand up and look for it. And na-appreciate ko yung love kasi naisip mo yun eh. Naisip mo na yung galaw ko, and you just did that. And I remember messaging you and telling you that,
Mm.
na love,
Yeah.
thank you for doing this. I know it's simple, but it's also you being intentional. And for me, in a marriage, it's those little things that matters eh.
Those
When you open
small
the door
things.
for me, when you carry
Stuff.
stuff for me, when I know I can carry them.
Open
But
the door, the car door.
yeah, yung mga little things na ganun, love, like I still really appreciate that.
Kahit maliit, it makes a huge impact.
Yes.
Na yun yung importante sa thriving marriage.
Yes, yes.
Na those small details, daily, daily na ginagawa nyo, yun yung nakapagbigay ng nakapag tawag dito lang,
Rekindle ng fire.
nakakapag
Kilig.
nakakapagbigay ng kilig.
Yeah. We
So,
still need that. I feel like,
kasi
di
tayo
ba?
magaling lang tayo, men, 'di ba? Magaling lang tayo kapag ligaw 'di ba? Best foot forward. Kapag nanliligaw ka, talagang ibibigay mo lahat kahit pagod ka, puyat ka, pagda-drive mo.
Kahit malayo,
Kahit
north to south.
Yes, north to south. Kahit galing ka pa ng trabaho, hindi, okay ako, 'di ba?
Ah,
Pero kapag nakuha mo na yung asawa mo, napakasalan mo na, o diyan ka na lang sa driver, kaya mo na 'yan, 'di ba? O mag-commute ka na lang, 'di ba? Masama pa niyan minsan ipapag-angkasin mo yung asawa mo, mag-angkas ka na lang.
Uy, baka
But
may nag-aangkas talaga. But it depends. It depends. But when you can, love, as you mentioned that, I appreciate you bringing me to work in the morning. Like, because, di ba, whenever I have taping, na-appreciate ko yung time natin together. Like, I really enjoy that time when we're just driving and talking. Tsaka yung, alam mo yung, kasi pag taping, buong araw tayo talagang hindi
yeah,
magkasama. But at least I get to have that time with you before my long day starts and before your long day starts too. So that's really something I super
the
appreciate.
reason why I do that is because she mentioned na, di ba, yung taping, long hours yan, 16, 17, 18 hours. So, nami-miss ko talaga siya. At kapag hindi ko siya nakakasama, I feel like we are disconnected. Kasi taping siya one day and then the next day, syempre, she needs to recuperate. She needs to recover from the puyat and the pagod. So, parang 2 days yun. And then after that, taping na naman. So, I would really be intentional about, bringing her sa trabaho.
And I really appreciate that, love.
Nice one, Lovey. So, number 3 na tayo.
Okay. Ano yung
Number 3
third?
na tayo, receiving gifts.
Nice.
Etong receiving gifts ko, medyo nasa bottom to.
Oo nga.
Hindi ako kasi, I don't like material
Material
things.
things.
I
Yeah.
grew up, ng simple lang yung gamit ko. Hindi ako, anong tawag doon?
Hindi siya maraming
Hindi ako
masyadong
fancy.
gamit. He
Yes.
likes plain stuff.
Hindi ako fancy. So, this is my least. Ikaw?
Receiving gifts is, hindi ko siya masyadong high up there, love. But
Number,
of course, I would appreciate it. Like, I remember one time, love, ito sobra talaga akong happy. I texted you, but apparently, hindi mo pala nabasa yung message ko. But you still did it. Nag-uwi ka ng santol. And that's your gift. And santol is my favorite fruit. Pero parang minsan, I feel lazy eating it kasi mahirap siya buksan. Tapos minsan, pag binuksan mo, maasim pa. So, parang bad trip, di ba? So, but I love it. But recently, he has been buying that. And yun yung midnight snack natin.
yes.
So, parang guilt-free din kasi kumakain tayo ng prutas sa gabi. And parang I feel like it's like our bonding also. So, nung umuwi ka ng gabi, na may dala ka talagang santol, tapos akala mo, hindi ko sinabi sa'yo, na-appreciate ko yun, love. Na I didn't
Nice
realize,
one, love.
I like it pala. Like,
Nice.
especially when it's something na naisip mo kasi ako, kaya mo siya binili. It's not about the gift eh. It's the
It's the
thought
thought.
behind it.
Yep.
Na, uy, naisip
Naisip
ko yung
niya ako.
asawa ko kasi alam ko paborito niya to. So, kahit
Ah,
fishball pa yan,
yes.
or kung ano man yan.
Hindi kailangan magarbo, hindi kailangan mahal. It's the thought that counts. Yun na nga yung old saying, di ba?
Yeah, it's the thought
It's
that
the
counts.
thought that counts. It doesn't matter kung santol man yan o jewelry man yan.
Yeah.
Di ba? Layo ng comparison.
But it's still a gift, di
Yeah.
ba? Ikaw, love, you don't like kasi, hindi mo talaga think tong gifts. And every time, I feel like I buy something for you, gastos na naman, ganyan. Pero ano ba talaga yung nafe-feel mo whenever I give you something?
Na-appreciate ko naman, syempre. Kumbaga kasi sa akin, hindi ako masyadong magamit. So, parang, hindi ko naman kailangan eh. Hindi ko kailangan ng sobrang daming relo or sobrang daming gamit. But, every time that I receive it, masaya ako, syempre, love. Masaya ako parang, uy, hindi ko kasi bibilin to kung hindi ko bibigyan ito. So, kapag binigyan ako nito, na-appreciate ko talaga. Kasi hindi ko
Oo.
talaga siya bibilhin. So, that's how I feel, love.
Okay. Okay, I get it. But of course, you still
Of course.
appreciate it.
Of
Wag lang
course.
mahal. Pag mahal talaga, parang mas una niyang maiisip yung amount bago yung gift.
Yeah.
Magkano to?
Magkano to?
Okay, so
Okay.
next, love.
Number 4 is quality
Yan,
time.
this is our love language.
Oh,
We
definitely.
both agree with quality time.
Ako, gusto ko to kasi, ito yung, we call it face-to-face. Ito yung date namin. When you say date, yung kailangan walang no phones, no laptops, no email, no answering of messages. Walang gadget sa table, put it away, and then usap. Ano yung
Just
mga,
talk.
just talk. Ay, how are you, love? How are you this week? Ano yung mga challenges mo? How am I as a husband to you? How can I improve? O paano, bakit nasaktan ba kita lately? Kumbaga, these are the things that we ask ourselves. We assess each one.
Yeah.
How am I as a husband to you? Okay ba ako? May nagawa ba ako sa'yo na
Nasaktan, yeah.
naka-hurt towards you? So, spend quality time. It's really being intentional with your marriage. Kasi di ba I mentioned, if you don't do something about your marriage, it will just drift away. Diba? So you really have to be really intentional in finding those quality moments na kayo nag-uusap dalawa. And this is my favorite, love. Quality time.
Me also. And ako, love, sobra akong grateful that we have come to this point in our lives na we like each other. Like, I realize now that not a lot of couples or not a lot of people who are married actually like each other. Like, I hear of couples na minsan, syempre, uuwi ka na sa trabaho, di ba? And parang, no, I'm not saying it's everyone, but we know, at one point, medyo ganun tayo eh. Na, uwi ka sa bahay, pero may mga times na you want to be with your friends. Like, you'd go out and you'd hang out with them until wee hours of the night, ganyan.
Ako?
Not that. This was before, like, love before, early years of our married life. And parang,
Hindi
I also felt,
Hindi
kaya,
ako lumalabas.
love, lumalabas ka. In the village, your friends are there.
Hindi pa tayo married nun.
Love, we were married na.
Hindi pa.
Ay naku,
Boyfriend
tatalo
naman.
pa tayo eh. Oo nga. So,
Okay.
but, ito nga yung sinasabi ko, love. We have come to a point that we now enjoy each other's company. Because I feel like in the early years of our married life, dumating tayo sa point, love, na parang gumagalaw lang tayo out of routine.
Mm-hmm.
Like, alaga, syempre, our kids, apart from
Right.
Ice and Nathan, nadagdagan tayong dalawang maliit, tapos 2 years lang yung age gap. So talagang grabe yung busyness ng time na
Yeah.
yun. Like, grabe yung tutok sa pag-aalaga. And I felt disconnected from you during that
Mm.
time. And I felt like hindi tayo nag-uusap, wala tayong chance mag-connect, hindi ko nasasabi sa'yo yung mga hurts ko, I just sweep it under the rug, and then ang lalim na pala ng resentment natin. Pangalawa, sobra tayong disconnected to a point na hindi na natin masyadong kilala yung isa't isa.
Mm.
And now, understanding these things, being able to apply it in our marriage, I feel like um, I'm really connected with you.
Yeah.
And pareho tayo were somehow love we're clingy. Like, we like to be together. We like doing things together. Not only just talking, but just doing things together. Whenever he goes to work, sasama ako sa'yo. Or yun nga, minsan ihahatid mo ko. We like working out together. We
Yeah.
do a lot of activities. Sabi mo kayo na face-to-face. We also have a lot of side-by-side
Side by
together.
side. So working out. What else?
What else? We do ministry together.
Ministry together. That's right.
Yeah, and we do sports sometimes together. Every time you have lakad, you always bring me with you.
If you're available.
Yes, and that's something I really appreciate.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what I mean when I say we like each other's company.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi yung parang,
Kaya
di
mo na
na ako
yan.
makahintay na mahiwalay dito sa asawa ko. Parang panggabi lang tayo magkasama, okay na yun. Too much togetherness is hard.
Yeah.
Parang we're not like that. And I'm really grateful for that.
Okay. Thanks, love, for sharing. So, eto na tayo. Number 5.
Okay.
Last one. Medyo hindi ko to gusto eh. Physical touch
Talaga ba, love?
or
Oh, sige.
intimacy.
Yeah.
So, ano naman tong physical touch or intimacy? Napakadali naman yung intindihin.
Yeah.
Ano yan?
Ikaw sumagot. Bakit ako?
Hindi ko to kabisado.
That's
Ito yung
your...
nasa bottom ko to eh. No, syempre, di ba, married couples.
Mhm.
So, kailangan, ang ganda lang kasi ng intimacy because you can only do that with your spouse.
Nobody else.
Guilt-free if you do it with your spouse. And not only intimacy, di ba? Kasama na rin dito yung cuddle. Kasi when we say about intimacy, first thing that comes into our mind is that.
Already.
But yes, the intimacy, the intimate part. But nakakalimutan natin dito yung hugs, yung kisses, just to be, yung head lang niya nasa shoulder mo, yung magkadikit lang kayo, skin to skin. For some, yun din talaga yung kanilang love language. They feel loved kapag malapit sila sa isa't isa. They are connected physically.
Just by doing this, ako kasi sinasabi ko sa kanya, gusto ko lang minsan yung nakaganyan. Okay, I really wanna share this with him because this is like so real for us. Na si Lovey kasi, yun nga, di ba? This is his love language, intimacy. It's like a big part of how he feels loved. And I told him, di ba, sabi ko sa'yo, love, minsan naman, pwedeng ano lang, yung hug-hug lang, ganyan-ganyan lang, yung like, just hugging and not doing anything, just cuddling, ganyan. Tapos sabi mo, love,
Ano?
natawa ka. Sabi mo, love kasi, iba yung nararamdaman ko pag hinahawakan mo ako.
Siyempre, wala namang umawak sa akin ganun.
I know. So parang ina-explain mo sa akin why for you it leads to that when for me just being this way is more than enough. So it's just funny that yung na napag-usapan natin kasi hindi ko naman alam yun eh.
Right.
I'm not aware na yun yung effect nun sa'yo. But now that you have made me aware, I'm like, oh, yun pala. So I continually learn a lot of things from you as you share openly these things to me about how you react, how you respond, pagdating sa kung paano ako sa'yo.
Right.
And I feel like that's how love language can help our marriages. Di ba, love?
Exactly.
Na mas maintindihan natin how we can make each other feel loved. Because at the end of the day, love, that's our goal as husband and wife. We want to show love.
Right. So, those are our 5 love languages. So, again, words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts,
Physical
quality
touch.
time, and physical touch.
Yes.
So, those are our 5 languages. So, for for you guys out there, for husbands and wives, maganda rin na pag-usapan nyo kung ano yung love language nyo.
Yes, and
So,
I think what we can do, what are the practical steps to love your spouse intentionally this week? 'Di ba once na malaman mo na ito pala yung love language ng asawa ko. Ano yung mga ways that I can do to be intentional in showing him that love language?
so yun yung assignment nila.
Nating lahat. Yes.
Nating lahat.
Yes.
So, anong tanong mo, love? Anong question mo?
Practical ways that you
Practical
can
ways.
intentionally show your spouse their love language or that
Okay.
you love them.
Okay.
So that's it.
That's it.
So that's it, guys, for episode 1. Hope to see you on the next episode of
Staying afloat with VJ and Camille.